The Sony ZV-1 is a compact powerhouse designed for content creators and vloggers, blending the advanced imaging capabilities of the RX100 series with features tailored for modern creators. At its core is a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS BSI CMOS sensor and Bion ZX image processor with front-end LSI, delivering exceptional speed, clarity, and sensitivity. This allows for UHD 4K video recording at 30p, supported by professional-grade S-Log32 and HLG picture profiles for enhanced dynamic range and color grading flexibility. The camera's Zeiss 24-70mm equivalent f1.8 to 2.8 lens offers sharp imagery and versatile framing, ideal for everything from close-ups to wide-angle shots. Coupled with active steady-shot image stabilization, it ensures smooth, shake-free footage even while walking or shooting handheld. The 3-inch 921.6K dot flip-out LCD touchscreen is perfect for vlogging, allowing creators to frame themselves effortlessly. Paired with the directional 3-capsule microphone, the ZV-1 delivers high-quality audio for immersive storytelling. Specialized features like real-time IAF, real-time tracking, and face priority auto exposure ensure subjects are always in focus and well lit. The background defocus function and soft skin effect further enhance portraits and video presentations, while the product showcase setting smoothly transitions focus between a subject and objects. Designed for ease of use, the ZV-1 includes a large right-hand grip, a front tally lamp, and an oversized rec button for intuitive one-handed operation. Compact yet powerful, the Sony ZV-1 is an ideal choice for creators seeking a blend of professional features and portability. The Fujifilm X100VI is the perfect fusion of timeless design and modern imaging technology, delivering an exceptional experience for photographers seeking a portable yet powerful tool. At its heart lies a 40.2 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor paired with the X Processor 5, ensuring stunning image quality, low light performance, and swift processing. The Fujinon 23mm f2 lens, equivalent to 35mm on full frame, offers superb sharpness and creamy bokeh, making it ideal for street, travel, and everyday photography. The X100VI is equipped with a 6-stop in-body image stabilization (IBIS) system, allowing for handheld shooting even in challenging lighting conditions. Its 425-point intelligent hybrid AF system ensures quick and accurate focus, while the hybrid viewfinder, featuring a 0.66x optical viewfinder (OVF) and a 3.69-meter OLED electronic viewfinder (EVF), provides unparalleled flexibility for composition. The 3-inch 1.62-meter tilting touchscreen further enhances usability for creative angles and intuitive controls. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, enabling instant sharing and remote operation via smartphones. Wrapped in a compact, retro-inspired body, the X100VI balances beauty and functionality. Its tactile dials and buttons offer an unmatched shooting experience, making every shot intentional and rewarding. Whether capturing fleeting moments or exploring artistic expression, the Fujifilm X100VI transforms the mundane into magical, solidifying its place as an everyday favorite for discerning photographers. The Canon EOS R50 is a compact, lightweight, mirrorless camera designed for content creators, vloggers, and photographers seeking high performance in a portable form. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor paired with the advanced Digic X image processor, the R50 produces stunning high-resolution stills and UHD 4K 30p video, making it a versatile tool for various creative pursuits. Its sophisticated dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system with 651 autofocus zones ensures fast, precise, and smooth focusing, ideal for tracking moving subjects in both photography and video. The Movie for Close-Up Demos mode is a standout feature for vloggers and product reviewers, automatically switching focus between a presenter and objects placed in front of the lens, simplifying content creation. The camera's compact size is complemented by a 2.36 meters electronic viewfinder and a 3-inch 1.62 meter vari-angle touchscreen, allowing for flexible shooting angles and easy navigation of settings. Its 15 FPS electronic shutter ensures you never miss a moment, capturing action with precision and speed. Designed with creators in mind, the EOS R50 is smaller and lighter than the EOS M50 Mark II, making it easy to carry for travel or on-the-go shooting. The camera also excels in low-light conditions, leveraging the power of its processor and sensor combination. Whether you're capturing photos, recording 4K videos, or live streaming, the Canon EOS R50 delivers professional-grade performance in a user-friendly package, making it a go-to choice for content creators at all levels. The Leica Q3 exemplifies the perfect blend of timeless design and cutting-edge technology, making it a standout choice for photographers and videographers alike. At its core is a 60-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor paired with the Maestro 4 processor, delivering unparalleled image quality, impressive low-light performance, and fast processing. Leica's renowned Summilux 28mm f1.7 Ash lens ensures sharp, vibrant images with beautiful depth and clarity, ideal for a wide range of subjects. The camera supports 8K 30 and 4K 60 video recording with professional-grade 422 10-bit and FHD ProRes HQ options, making it a versatile tool for high-end video production. The inclusion of phase detection autofocus and optical image stabilization (OIS) ensures quick, accurate focusing and stable imagery, even in challenging conditions. The Q3 features an upgraded 5.76 meters OLED electronic viewfinder and a 3-inch 1.84 meter tilting touchscreen LCD, offering an intuitive and versatile shooting experience. Its compact, elegant design retains the signature Leica aesthetic while introducing modern innovations, making the Leica Q3 a powerful yet portable tool for professionals and enthusiasts seeking unparalleled performance. The Canon PowerShot G7 X Mark III combines portability with powerful features, making it a favorite for photographers and bloggers seeking a compact yet versatile camera. At its heart is a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor paired with the Digic 8 image processor, delivering exceptional speed, image quality, and responsiveness. This setup supports UHD 4K 30p video recording, Full HD 120p slow motion capture, and impressive still performance, including 20 FPS continuous shooting and a 30 FPS raw burst mode for capturing split-second moments. The 4.2x optical zoom lens, 24-100mm equivalent, offers a versatile focal range, ideal for wide-angle landscapes and close-up portraits. Its f1.8 2.8 maximum aperture excels in low-light conditions and creates beautiful background blur. Complementing the lens is an optical image stabilizer, which minimizes camera shake for sharp photos and smooth video footage. Designed for ease of use, the 3-inch 1.04 meter tilting touchscreen LCD flips 180 degrees upward, perfect for selfies or vlogging. The camera also features built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing seamless connectivity with smartphones for remote control, instant sharing, and live streaming. With its compact, lightweight design, the G7 X Mark III is perfect for travel and everyday use. It caters to both beginners and advanced users, with its balance of automatic settings and manual controls. Whether capturing high-resolution stills, recording cinematic 4K video, or streaming live content, the Canon PowerShot G7 X Mark III delivers professional-grade performance in a pocket-sized package. And there you have it. 5 affordable point-and-shoot cameras in 2024 that deliver amazing performance without draining your wallet. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech and photography tips.